What's up, my friend? Today I'm gonna show you exactly how I did the beat drops on Trust Issues by Kenzo Balla. I'm gonna show you how I went from it sounding like this.
Where's you going? Break you down, like hold this, eat it up, leave you choking. You know my body, baby, you can't post me. We could just fucking keep it on the low ski.
To sounding like this.
Where's you going? Break you down, like hold this, eat it up, leave you choking. You know my body, baby, you can't post me. We could just fucking keep it on the low ski.
If you're new to my channel, I'm Macro from Mixing with Macro. I'm a professional recording and a mixing engineer, and I do recording for major record labels and many independent artists. And my goal is to help you streamline your recording and your mixing process for fast and consistent results. That is why I developed a 5-step cheat sheet that will take your mix to a professional sounding mix in less than 30 minutes. It's in the description down below for free. I reveal everything. I did not hold anything back, and you could probably read it in about 5 minutes. So go ahead and grab that. Do not leave here empty-handed. All right, let me show you exactly how I mix Kenzo. So what we're gonna do today, I'm gonna just show you how we did the beat chop. So I got all the beat chops here. If you want to know like how I mix and make his vocals sound, you know, nice and clean like that, then watch my video before where I break down a rap song. Better yet, I'm gonna link it somewhere in this video, or watch till the end and you'll get an opportunity to see it. Okay, cool. So this is what we got right here. As you can see, there's a lot of beat chops we did on Kenzo's beat right here. All his vocals are down here. That's all his vocals and stuff. So let's zoom in really quick. This is the original. Like this blue one is the original. So let's play that.
That's how you turn around and we fucking the V. Fuck them bitches, they nothing to me. When I'm with you, there's nowhere else I wanna be. Be up that pussy, put you.
And there was nothing there, right? This is what we end up doing.
That's how you turn around and we fucking the V. Fuck them bitches, they nothing to me. When I'm with you, there's nowhere else I wanna be. Be up that pussy, put you right to sleep. And you say you was riding, now you tryna leave.
We got another one here.
So use old tongue when you taught me. And I spent over 300 packs in Dior and the Miriam ponies and sacks. Spend a check and I get it right back. You know it's only right, I'ma get money.
We got this section right here.
Ain't no running like where's you going? Break you down, like hold this, eat it up, leave you choking. You know my body, baby, you can't post me. We could just fucking keep it on the low ski. It's like damn, I don't know.
And over here, if you play this exact section in the original mix.
Pussy, yeah, I got it open. Ain't no running like where's you going? Break you down, like hold this, eat it up, leave you choking. You know my body, baby, you can't post me. We could just fucking keep it on the low ski.
It sounds cool, right? But like at the same time, it's, you know, we can make it sound even better.
That pussy, yeah, I got it open. Ain't no running like where's you going? Break you down, like hold this, eat it up, leave you choking. You know my body, baby, you can't post me. We could just fucking keep it on the low ski. It's like damn, I don't know what to think.
Right, we got a couple more.
I see you every time that I blink, and when we not talking, I be feeling weak. Every time when I can't even sleep, you know it's the love I got for you is deep like, but it's fuck that, onto the.
Yeah, so I mean, there's more that we can go through. I'm gonna show you like the coolest ones, because a beat chop is a beat chop. You could just cut the beat out and boom, you got a beat chop, right? But then we have these sections right here where I do a little reverse stuff. Find it like right here. And it's really simple. It's just a slow down, a speed up, cut the beat out. And the way you do that is Audio Suite. You grab the Verify plugin, you slow it down, and then you speed it up. And it's pretty much that simple. The rest of the stuff is more like creative stuff where you can just, all right, well, let me see what a beat chop sounds like here. What if you took out the beat here? Well, you know, that kind of thing. And then you can really dial in how you want your artist to sound and really give the artist that sound, you know? Here is just like smaller beat chops. Like right here.
Post me, we could just fucking keep it on the low ski. It's like damn, I don't know.
Yeah.
Post me, we could just fucking keep it on the low ski. It's like damn,
so this right here is a mixture of the 1-knob filter, where I took the 1-knob filter, I put this section on the water, and then I just chopped it up really fine. I think I used like a 16 note. Yeah, I use a 16 note grid right here. What I noticed in a lot of songs is that people don't really use like fades. Like you could just fade a beat in. Like this part doesn't have a fade.
Like where's you going? Break you down, like hold this, eat it.
Right? Just put a fade right there.
Like where's you going? Break you down, like hold this, eat it up, leave you choking. You know my.
I don't know why. Maybe it's a standard, but at the end of the day, keep in mind, like when it comes to beat chops, there's no one right way. Like the way I'm doing it, yes, you can get a lot of ideas from this video, and I hope you do. That's why I'm shooting this. But also is you can do pretty much whatever you want, because it's an art at the end of the day. You know, as long as it's your sound is unique to you, you could do it. You could chop a beat any way you want. So let's make a beat chop just randomly, a place that I didn't do it.
Post me, we could just fucking keep it on the low ski. It's like damn, I don't know what to think of my feelings. I pop a Perkins, I don't drink. Where you at? I know you wanna lick. Let me beat that shit up. Leg up on the sink.
And let's slow down this part right here really quick, just to get some ideas, and then cut out what comes after it.
What to think of my feelings, I pop a Perkins, I don't drink. Where you at? I know you wanna lick. Let me beat that shit up. Leg up on the sink. I see you every time that I blink, and when we not talking, I be.
know what I'm saying? Or you could just fade that in.
You wanna lick, let me beat that shit up, one leg up on the sink. I see you every time that I blink, and when we not talking, I be
right? That wasn't even in the song, and it sounds cool, right? So here is a reverse. I think I did a reverse like right here. Let me solo it so you can hear it. Yeah, like right here. Pretty much I took the first hit of this turnaround, duplicated it, brought it over, went to audio suite, hit reverse, and then just reversed it like that. Yeah, and it really helps, you know? It's just a quick video showing you like you can do beat chops any way you want. There's no standard way to do it. You could be creative as you want, and I'm showing you this because I know you'll take it, you'll add it to your songs, because every song is different. These exact beat chops probably won't work on a different type of beat. Like if you have like a Detroit type sound or Atlanta type beat, some of these beat chops might not work, but some might. And you just have to try and find the things that actually work with you and work with the artist. Make sure the artist is 100% comfortable with what they're doing. If you're the artist, then if you're comfortable with it, put it in. Just put it in just because Macro says it. Just a way of showing you how you can manipulate a beat even if you don't have track outs. You could still do a lot of cool stuff to it. And this is not limited to what I just showed you. You could go many different ways with it. If you want me to really break down and show you different songs, just leave a comment down below and I could break that down for you. I've also done another one on Op Hunting by Kenzo where I break down a lot of the beat chops in there and I show you a lot of the tips and tricks that I use in that song. So go ahead and watch that. Keep in mind, every song is different. You're gonna have different challenges you're gonna run into, and you shouldn't let it stop you. I just want to pop in real quick and give you a quick breakdown of how we mix Kenzo and how I arrive at these beat chops here. Leave a comment down below if you find this video very helpful. Show me some ways that you do beat chops and all that kind of stuff, and different things you might do to your beats to make it sound even crazier, because you know we all got different ideas and a different mind. Before you leave though, go in the description, grab that 5-step cheat sheet. It's gonna take your mix to an awesome sounding mix in less than 30 minutes. I've had people have very fantastic results, so go ahead and check it out. Do not leave her empty-handed, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.